Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stytch and low-code app builders. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by selecting your preferred low-code app builder platform. Sign in to your account on the app builder. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to implement Stytch. Visit the Stytch website and sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to create a new application. Choose the appropriate application type based on your project needs, such as web or mobile. After creating your application, you will receive API keys, which are essential for authentication. Copy the API keys and securely store them for later use. Return to your low-code app builder and locate the section for custom API integrations. Create a new API integration and paste the Stytch API keys in the designated fields. Set up the required authentication endpoints in your app builder. Use the provided Stytch documentation to understand the required parameters for authentication. For user login, create a button that triggers the login function when clicked. Map this button to the backend workflow that communicates with Stytch's login endpoint. For new user registration, similarly, create a registration form that collects necessary details. Ensure this form connects to the Stytch registration endpoint upon submission. After setting up the authentication features, test the login and registration flows to ensure everything works. Address any errors or misconfigurations that may arise during testing. Once all authentication functions correctly, design a user-friendly interface to enhance the user experience. Finally, deploy your application to see the Stytch authentication in action. Monitor user feedback and analytics to optimize the authentication process as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.